So this device is the Xperia Ion. What's great about it, if you take a look at the design, it's got a great metal unibody, a brilliant 4.6-inch HD screen, 720p, so you get great quality on it. And then you've got on the front, you've got a front-facing HD 720p camera, and on the back side, you've got a 12-megapixel 1080p recording camera. What's nice is you kind of navigate around the device as well is we have a hard camera key. So when you're trying to actually take a picture, what's nice is all you have to do is you hold down the camera button and it immediately activates your camera. This 12 megapixel camera has a bunch of great technology in it, so it lets you do things like scene capture. I can go in and take a look at sweep panorama, do things in 3D. I can adjust the flash. You can end up even going into advanced technology. And this is where we can start to bring some of the Sony-ness in our devices to life. What's great is it's a really quick switch to if you want to record video. All you have to do is drag that down, and now I'm in a video record. Quickly tap on a button to be able to start recording. And what's nice is you can quickly go in and navigate all this and view it in a great screen. What else is really great about our devices is the fact that they're LTE capable. So whether it is viewing things like YouTube, whether it's going into newspapers, you have great little apps like a weather widget that lets you tell great stories. The OS is built to make it easier for consumers to actually interact with the device. So what's nice as well is if you take a look at the side of the device is you've got a nice connection with your power charger and an HDMI. Our power charger we actually ship with a fast charger. The fast charger allows you in 10 minutes to get 60 minutes of talk time. So it amplifies the charging to make sure that you get the most out of your device when you connect it. And the HDMI lets you connect your device to other HD enabled devices. So if you want to connect it, for example, to your TV, you can do that by just connecting a cable to that.
Right.
Okay. So what's nice as well is when you take a look at what the device is capable of, it's filled with a ton of great apps. One of the apps that we have on here that I think really makes the device stand out in really unique ways is Music Unlimited. So if I quickly scroll through and find the Music Unlimited app, I can touch on it. And what this is it's a service offered by Sony that lets you get unlimited access to 15 million songs. Right now, when you purchase this device at Rogers, you get 6 months of free access to Music Unlimited, and in it, you have access to premium channels, a genre, a Sense Me set of channels. You can look at a global top chart, you can search particular artists, or you can quickly scroll through and have more of a customized approach, where you have albums, songs, and playlists that you create, and songs that you can find and add to your own device. What's brilliant is this is connected to my Sony network ID, so I can take this and connect it on my tablet, my computer, my PlayStation 3 across multiple devices, and instantaneously, if I find something I like, I can add it to another track. So another great feature that we're offering with this device. To bring it back, this device is the Xperia Ion. It's going to be $49 at launch with Rogers. It's an LTE smartphone with a 4.6-inch HD screen, HD front and rear camera, and the ability to connect it to your TV in HD.
Great, thanks so much.
Cheers.
Okay, so we're hooking it into the HDMI port.
Yep. It launches HDMI.
You can see HDMI connected.
And then you get this.
Fantastic.
So this is what we mean by it is the gateway to your communication entertainment world, right? So we just quickly docked it through HDMI. The TV launcher comes up automatically, and this is a carousel of all your shortcuts on your device. So
I see.
So we take it a step further with the actual mode. This is a Bravia TV. You have the liberty of sitting down on your couch, toggling through the different applications. Let's pick gallery, and you can go into your gallery. Let's pick a video, right? I mean, the ability to capture high def. So let's watch Spider-Man, the preview.
So this
and again in HD quality, right?
So now we're exporting in 1080p.
Okay.
So not only is it in HD on your phone, it's HD out of your phone.
This is where we really say we go beyond smartphone and that connected entertainment experience, right? And can you imagine this on a 70-inch screen?
And this supports 5.1 if the video is encoded in
Correct.
surround.
Okay.
So you can go explore in HD. Now, using my remote control, I can navigate all sorts of fun things on my device. So I can go check out images that I have. And so what's nice is, if I take a look at how these are just Facebook images from friends of mine because it's connected to my Facebook profile, I can also go in and take a look, for example, at images that are on the device.
And these are standard images on
These
all
are
of these
standard
Sony.
images, and you can just see the quality that you can get, right?
Yeah, that's great.
So, and then you can also have things that you've captured from your camera as well, right? So I can go and take a look at random things that I've taken shots of, right? So you can go see all sorts of different things from different events that I've been to.
In 12 megapixel,
In 12
right?
megapixels.
Right.
Yeah. Which,
So you probably don't want to go through my personal images, but you get the idea, right?
let's play some music.
Yeah, exactly. Now the other neat thing is you're sitting down on your couch. What's the key thing about our devices now? Now they've become your entertainment hub. We talk about video, but the other big thing that consumers take with them is music. So what's nice is you can actually go in and you can play music using your remote control, and you can see the actual album art and the way the aesthetic has been designed is it matches your album art on your device. So it makes it really easy and fun to interact. You can go through different tracks. I can actually go in and launch my music player and go check out different tracks, and I can actually get into Music Unlimited straight from here. You have Sent to Me channels, which allow you to actually define your music taste in a great way. So there's a lot of depth to the story in terms of music, in terms of video, but what's nice is you can do it all from the comfort of your couch. You can do this on the go. You can do it wherever it makes sense for you. And then if I want to get out, what's nice is, especially using Bravia remote controls, you have the ability to use these buttons to tell a story where you can pull down your options button. You can end up having your bottom options button come in. So the whole experience is fully integrated.
That's great.
I can even go back to my home screen. My music's still playing. I can end up going back up if I want to at some point and then be able to change tracks. I can go check out different apps. I can check out my email. I can even add new applications, all from my remote control sitting on my couch. What's the latest thing? Well, you know what? I want to take a look at the files that I have, or I want to look at BBC News. So you add BBC News, and now you have a BBC News app that you can pull up full screen.
Very
so in
cool.
the morning, you get your latest update.
Okay. That's awesome.
So that's the device experiences that connects to your TV. Now we can go through how we want to simplify the rest of your life using our device and some of the accessories we bring.
Okay, so we're going to take a look at some of the smart tag features on the Xperia Ion. So what do you got for us?
Okay, so this is a perfect example of how we take the smartphone to the next level, right? So you have, you can see here 4 smart tags. You can place them wherever you want. For example, just to show you how easy it is, it's based on NFC technology. We want to make it very consumer friendly. You just take your device, tap it on the blue tag, and you can see with one touch I've activated my speaker ball. So think of your poolside, having a party. No need to go into your phone, skip through your music, very easily. Right, and the smart tags come 4 in a package. You can pre-program, pretty much do everything, all your shortcuts. Another perfect example, I have one in my car. Tap the tag, activates GPS. My fonts become bigger on my device. You can activate maps. Pretty much everything you want to do in a simple, simplistic way. So that's what we really want to do, make that easy for the consumer. Top of that, to take it a step further, we also have the smartwatch you can see on my wrist here. So think of it Android on your wrist. So sometimes those discrete moments in an office, you still have ability to check your mail, send text messages. So I tap the screen twice, you can see here my new events, my music player, messaging, weather. Full access on the Google Play Store. There's over 100 apps available. Our developers really love that, thinking of new ways to enhance the overall smartphone use, right? You can record, for example, a fitness app. Record your workout. An easy way to and a cool way to really enjoy your messaging without keeping your phone in your pocket.
Okay, great.
Yeah. One other thing I think it's also important to say is with the when you're looking at what the smart tags bring you is it's a great little experience because the way it's set up is you have this application that you can set. So the blue one is it comes and it ships as a car profile, but if you just tap this, you can see the different profiles that you have listed. So it's really easy. I can go into my bedroom. So when I go to sleep at night, you know, I want to activate my alarm. So it starts my alarm. I have it set to turn off Wi-Fi, turn off Bluetooth. I'm sleeping. I don't need those things on. So what's really nice is with one quick swipe, I can activate applications and activities that make my life easier. But what's nice is it's customizable. I can go in and do whatever I want on my device. So I can turn on a specific alarm. Okay, I want that alarm for this day. Or you can end up going in and you can have, and what you saw is we can play tracks. So I can open my music player, or I can play a specific track, and you can just quickly scroll through and find the music. So what's nice is you can end up going through that whole experience and creating customizable actions for each specific tag. So, you know, I have one in my bedroom. I have one in my office. So when I get there, it turns on Wi-Fi, connects to my office Wi-Fi. It connects to my Bluetooth keyboard. It connects to all different parts of my life. So what's nice is that now we try to simplify your experiences. So, you know, if I asked you, you're going for a run, what are the 5 things that what are the things you do when you go for a run? Well, I turn on Bluetooth, I have it connect to my Bluetooth headset that I'm wearing. I have it turn on GPS so it tracks my run. I have it shared to Endomundo, which is an app that lets me do it, and I start my music player. So to do that takes about 5 minutes of setup. Why would you not just customize something and swipe it and have it happen in an instant? So that's kind of what we're looking for. And what's neat is you have this little star that if you want to just reset your portfolio, your device back to what its standard is. So this is what my device is normally. I go into different environments. All you do is you hit that star, and you can even customize what those favorite actions are. So it resets it to your standard state.
Great.